let's be real, the internet feels like a gold rush, right? But it seems like most people are just digging in the wrong places. Well, today, we're handing you the map. This is your playbook for making real money online in 2026, and we're jumping right in.
Look at this number, $1.77 trillion. That's not just some random projection. It's a massive economic tidal wave. By 2032, that's how big the global AI market is gonna be. This isn't just a story for tech nerds. It's an economic revolution that's opening up doors for absolutely everyone. And because of this huge shift, making money online is, believe it or not, easier than it has ever been. Seriously, tools that would have set you back thousands are now free. Platforms like Shopify or YouTube, they can give you a global audience literally overnight. And the demand for digital skills is it's through the roof.
So, the problem isn't a lack of options, right? It's the opposite. It's overwhelming. So, let's just forget those endless 50 ways to make money lists. We're going to break it down into a simple framework. 3 clear, distinct paths you can take to start making money online. Okay, path number 1. This is, hands down, the fastest way to get started and see some cash flow. It's all about monetizing the skills you already have. This is the freelancer's path, where you offer your expertise to a worldwide market of clients who need you. At its core, freelancing is super simple. You trade your time and your skills for money, but you do it on your own terms. And thanks to this whole remote work revolution, the traditional office is kind of on its way out. Companies are now looking everywhere for talented people just like you to get the job done. And just take a look at this. This is the breakdown for the virtual assistant market, which is booming. Over 62% of the work, almost 2/3, is in basic administration and marketing. This isn't some passing fad. We're talking about a massive, consistent demand for fundamental business skills. So, you might be asking, what skills are actually in demand? Well, here's your hot list for 2026. Everything from digital marketing and SEO to the new kid on the block, AI prompt writing. These are the exact skills that businesses on platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are paying top dollar for right now. All right, what if you're not really a services person? Let's talk about selling products. Path 2 is the online merchant's path. This is how you sell to the entire world without ever needing a warehouse or even touching a single box. Now, the 2 big models here are affiliate marketing and drop shipping. With affiliate marketing, think of yourself as a promoter. You earn a commission, usually somewhere between 5 and 15%, just for sending customers to someone else's product. With drop shipping, though, you're the store owner. You get to build your own brand. Your profit potential is way higher, maybe 20 to 40%, but the trade-off is you're the one handling customer service. And if you think starting a whole online store sounds complicated, it's really not. It boils down to 4 steps. First, you find a good niche. Then, you build your storefront. After that, you connect with a supplier who handles the shipping. And finally, you market your products. That's pretty much the whole game plan. Okay, path number 3. This is where I think a lot of the magic happens, because it's less about what you sell and more about who you are. This is the creator economy, where what you're really monetizing is your audience. Everyone's obsessed with going viral, but that's not the goal here. True, lasting success in the creator economy is about building a community of people who actually trust you. It's about telling stories that connect and creating a loyal following that will be there to support you for years. And once you've earned that trust, the ways you can make money are incredibly diverse. You've got ad revenue, brand sponsorships, affiliate links. You can sell your own digital products like courses or even physical stuff like t-shirts. Each one of these income streams is built on that solid foundation of your audience. So you've picked your path. Now it's time to add the rocket fuel. This is the supercharger that will speed up your journey, and it doesn't matter which of the 3 paths you choose. I'm talking, of course, about AI. Just look at this gap right here. It's huge. Almost 90% of companies are using AI in some way, but less than 40% are actually seeing a real impact from it. That is your opportunity. Companies are desperate to find people who can actually use these AI tools to make them money. And you can be that person with a toolkit that looks something like this. You could use a tool like ChatGPT to draft all your ad copy in minutes. You could use Midjourney to generate completely unique art for t-shirts or posters. You can use Surfer to make sure your blog posts actually rank on Google. You see, AI isn't a path on its own. It's the vehicle that's going to get you down your chosen path way, way faster. Okay, so we've walked through the 3 core paths, and we've talked about the AI supercharger. Now let's put it all together and figure out which one of these playbooks is the perfect fit for you
your goals, and what you're working with. So here's the bottom line. Selling your skills has a super low startup cost, but your potential for passive income is also pretty low because you're trading time for money. On the flip side, the creator economy has massive passive income potential, but it all hinges on your ability to build that audience. And the online merchant path? That's somewhere in the middle. The right choice for you really depends on your skills, your resources, and frankly, your appetite for risk.
Ultimately, these aren't just get-rich-quick schemes. They're frameworks for building something that's truly yours online. Each path offers a totally different journey with its own challenges and its own rewards. The digital frontier is wide open, so the only question left to ask is, what are you going to build?